Doc, the crasem ni when it comes to this issue of the cost of living, high cost of living in Ghana, any potential tariff hike ever first of where I think say even though I'm here representing NDC, you know, as a NDC film, I want to talk as a Ghanaian.
Okay.
Look, a woman say, nipa bre wabonti on pao. Doc, when you live in communities such as mine, utumun say nipa bre because there are times you see families struggling to even get 20 cedis. Sound better eduanedi. Yesterday, I went to try and purchase punayam, and a small tuber of that yam was costing 50 Ghana cedis. Now, I was shocked and I was struggling because now at the end I turned 10 cedis a while back. Then I 50 Ghana cedis. What in America say? And then on top of all these difficulties and if I go through, Gary Ayeton is 6 cities. It is turned into 30 cities now. Tomatoes, small balls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 cities. These are the challenges that the people in our communities are going through. Now when we know, you then hear announcements say they are going to increase the tariffs, electricity and water. Do you know, say, apart from the 5.1% and 5.8%, water and electricity, I'll mention, say, usually there are programs and systems where lifeline consumers, that's just one bob, I from lifeline customers. Usually they exclude them in all of these hikes, any increments. But this time, the data almost see they are also being tariffs are being increased by 3.4%.
Yeah.
Now tell me, unemployment increasing 14.7%, and it keeps increasing.
Yeah.
In fact, what we have seen is that media, I believe the state actually sponsors unemployment programs because say Abai to be spending 23 billion, and I mean just one American country.
Okay.
So Abai to be spending 23 billion. Now almost to me, the good banks now. Potentially 10,000 jobs have been unemployment roles have been created. Now me can using 9 billion to fix the problem.
Yeah.
At least change management and get it done. Not or go ahead, not or spending that amount of money. No, they say Juma. Then it's sponsored as far as I'm concerned. We know say about 8-9 organizations, global more anyway. They are leaving this country because the exchange rate are into managing our currency fluctuations. Too much until they can't manage in the harsh conditions we run. If all of this is happening now. Say, if you are increasing tariffs are opening, then what do you want us to do? And look, you cannot hold any other person accountable other than the government of the day. And because the issues and the reasons are more very nicely elaborated management of exchange rate, inflation rate, Sesiano, CD. Who call black market somewhere up to 16 Ghana cedis. And maybe a chemo under NDC 3.8, 4.2. And then you need to be called 16 Ghana. Meanwhile, you have a vice president that is your person Danny, the leader of the country. At that time, he was so good at managing the economy. Say, Onukurano, Obetumi, so, sir, rate him, China Koshe. IGP and yet what do we find now? That situation. Look at situations where food inflation. I was comparing some rates across Africa and Ghana. We are around the 26 sort of percent mark. Food inflation bill. Maybe say me crasi, me trouble constituency. Then no didi.